Hello, myself Vivek Devani, and my topic is what is median and how to calculate for individual and discrete data series.
So first let's see what is median. So median is a particular measure of central tendency which is generally used to describe the middle center value of a particular data set. So first of all let's understand median in a very simple manner. So first let's take an example of a particular data. It's like we are having data like this 4, 1, 2 and 5. So whenever any kind of particular data is given, we have to arrange the data in a particular ascending manner. So here I am arranging it. After arranging the data in a particular ascending manner, first thing we have to do is the data odd or even. Here we are having odd numbers, which means like there are five number of data set is given, so it is an odd data set. So it's easy to describe the median in this data because we have to just see which is the middle value of the particular data. So here we will be easily able to see the middle value of the particular data is 3. So we can say that for this particular data set the median is 3. But what if any kind of even data set is given, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In this we cannot take the middle part. If you will see, if you cut one from here, one from here, one from here, one from here, one from here and one from here, everything will be cutted. So nothing will be spared. So how to get median in this data? So for this we have to take the between two values. The two values which are coming in the between. So here we are getting 3 and 4 in between. So for now we will take 3 and 4. We will do 3 plus 4 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Here we will get 3.5, which will be our median. So it is a simple method to calculate median for odd and even data set. So median can be calculated for many type of different data sets, such as individual data set, discrete data set and the continuous data set. Now first let's see which are the formulas used for calculating the different data sets. So the formula which will be used are, for if the data set is odd, then for odd we will use the formula is equal to sum of n by 2 plus 1th term of the data. This formula we will use when the data set is odd, and if the data set is even, then we will use the formula average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term of the data. So now let's see different examples for individual and discrete data set. We will calculate for both odd data set and the even data set. So now first let's see the example for the individual data for odd and even both the data sets. So first for the odd data set. First of all, always remember, whenever the data set is given, always check whether it is arranged in ascending order or not. If it is not arranged, we have to rearrange it in the ascending order. Here it is already arranged in the ascending order. So now let's start. So first let's put the formula. So for odd, the formula is sum of n by 2 plus 1th term, which is so now first let's see what is n. So n is the total number of observations of the particular data set. So here we are having total 5 observations for this data set. So it means that 5 by 2 plus 1 term is equal to 6 by 2 term, which is third term. So we have to check in the data which is the third term. So here we are getting the third term as 3. So we can say that the 3 is our median. Next, for the even data set. So here we are having even data set. So the formula is changed for it. So the formula for it is average of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. So we have to take the average for this both of the terms. So here the n for us is 6. So we will be having 6 by 2th term and 6 by 2 plus 1th term. So 6 by 2th term, which will be the third term, and 6 by 2 plus 1, which means 7 by 3 plus 1, which will be fourth term. So we have to check which are the third and the fourth term. So the third term is over here is 3 and the fourth term over here is 4. So we need to take the average for this both of the terms. So to take the average, what we will do, we will do 3 plus 4 by 2, which will be 7 by 2, which will be 3.5. So here 3.5 is our median for this data set. So now let's see the example for the discrete series. First we are going to see for the odd data set. So here as it is a discrete series, the x and the frequencies are already given to us. In the discrete series, whenever the frequency is given to us, n is not the total number of observations, n will be the summation for the frequency. So here we are going to take n as the summation of the frequency. Whichever value we will get as the summation of frequency, we will take as the n. So first, to calculate it, we need to find out the cumulative frequency. So what is cumulative frequency? So the cumulative frequency is the sum of the measures of the preceding median class. So to find out the cumulative frequency, what we need to do? So to find out the cumulative frequency, let me write first CF. CF is equal to the cumulative frequency. So to find out it, first of all, the frequency will be same as the cumulative frequency. Then you have to add the preceding one to it. So 5 plus 2 will be 7. 12 plus 7 will be 19. 19 plus 20 will be 39. 39 plus 10 will be 49. 49 plus 7 will be 56. And 56 plus 3 will be 59. So here we got 59 at last. So if you want to verify it, you can also take the summation of the frequency. The cumulative frequency which we get at the last will be same as the summation of the frequencies. So once you do the summation of the frequency, you will get the same value, which is 59. So now let's put it under the formula. So the formula for it is sum of n by 2 plus 1th term. So here, as we have already discussed, n is equal to the summation of frequencies. So here n is 59. So we will put 59 by 2 plus 1th term. So which will be 60 by 2, which will be 30. So here 30 is not our median. So now we have to check in the cumulative frequency what is near to 30. So near to 30 over here is 39. So 39 we got in the cumulative frequency. Now we have to check in x. So over here in x, near to 39, in this segment it is given 16. So 16 is our median. So now let's see the example for the discrete series for the even data set. Here also they have given us the x and the frequency. As the frequency is given us, so the n will be the summation of the frequency. And we all know for first to calculate it, we need to find out the CF. So I have already discussed how to find out the CF. So let's see how to find out CF. So first it will be 18. 18 plus 35 will be 53. Then it will be 20 plus 53 will be 73. 73 plus 27 it will be 100. 23 plus 100 it will be 123. 123 plus 19 it will be 142. 142 plus 18 it will be 160. 16 plus 15 is equal to 175. 175 plus 12 it will be 187. And at last 187 plus 13 will be 200. So last over here we are getting cumulative frequency is 200. So the summation for the frequency will be also 200. So now let's put the formula. So the formula is average of n by tooth term and average of n by 2 plus 1th term. So over here the n is 200. So 200 by 2 tooth term and 200 by 2 plus 1th term. So here the answer we will get will be 100th term and 101th term. So now we have to check in the cumulative frequency where does the 100 and 101th term is coming. So we are getting 100 over here. So we got 100. But for 101 term we need to check where it is coming. So we can say that it get covers over here at 123. So besides it, over here it is 170 at 100 and over here it is 180. So we have to take the average for 170 and 180 and we will get our median, which will be 170 plus 180 by 2. We are doing it to get the average for it. So 170 plus 180 by 2 will be 350 by 2, which will be generally 175. So we can say that this 175 is our median.
Thank you all for listening me.